In round 41, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, work 1 decrease. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself. 6 sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 41 is done. In round 42, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 3 single crochets, 1 decrease for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 3 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Work 3 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself. 6 sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 42 is done. Stuff the fabric with fiberfill. In round 43, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 decrease, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 decrease. Mark the first stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. Work 1 decrease and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself. 6 sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 43 is done. In round 44, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 9 decreases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 9 decreases. We go through the front loops of next 2 stitches to work 1 decrease. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 8 more decreases in the same way. Please finish the rest decreases by yourself. 9 decreases are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 44 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Yarn tail round hook and pull the tail out. Thread the yarn tail through the needle. Okay. Use a yarn needle to sew her closed by stitching through the front loops of the last round. Pull the yarn tail to close the hole. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. And finally, cut off excess end. The main body is completed. You should use the corresponding yarn in the kit according to the instruction.